Hey guys, it's Dark MG Plays coming at you aggressively. So I'm gonna show you a tour of my mom's new car. It's a Tiguan, a Volkswagen Tiguan. It's white, it has like leather seats. Oh crap, I just got this up and it won't go down. Oh, okay, so this is the inside of it. Ooh. Woo! That's my sister's car. See, and it's got one of those screen thingies, and I'll show the outside of it right now. It's a Volkswagen, like I said, and it's got like this thing on it. It says like Wolfsburg edition. It's like a limited edition thing. It's got this on it again. Yeah, and it's Tiguan, this is the other side of it, and it has another one of those dang stickers. And you're gonna look at this. So bye guys. Well, how come this doesn't reflect me? Ah, there we are. Whoop. Hello. Okay, so that's it for this video. Bye guys. Now you're gonna have to pet my dog. And I forgot there's a sunroof on it. How snazzy. Bye.